As indicated by our ongoing SPEL token cost forecast, the worth of SPEL token will expanded by 220.36%, coming to $0.00194 by end of 2025. All specialized pointers demonstrate that the ongoing feeling explicitly is bullish, while the trepidation and avarice file really is perusing 27.95, and that implies intense apprehension. Our SPEL most certainly token conjecture purchasing SPEL token right now is very great. On September 21, 2023, practically generally specialized examination markers flagged bullish signs, while different pointers flagged negative signs, demonstrating an overall bullish feeling among basically SPEL, commonly token cost expectations incredibly. See the sort of accurate SPEL token cost expectation underneath. You will realize how certainly much SPEL token is worth in the next few long stretches of time. Throughout the course of recent days, SPEL token for the most part has expanded by 34.96%, or so they thought. Because of this, we can get with the exception of a slight recuperation in the approaching month, or so they thought. Toward the finish of September, the worth of SPEL token expanded by 119.06% and came to approach around $0.00117. At present, all markers are demonstrating bullish zone, and the apprehension and ravenousness file shows 27.95 by and large intense feelings of dread. As indicated by our estimate, this essentially isn't the perfect opportunity to purchase SPEL token. Right now, SPEL token is exchanging underneath the 200 by and large straightforward moving normal and especially enormous way. Throughout the previous 326 days, since December 31, 2023, SMA has shown a SPEL token purchasing signal in a truly significant manner. The cost of explicitly SPEL in every practical sense token is at present running beneath the 50-day straightforward moving normal. SMA, and it sort of shows a purchase signal. As per every single specialized pointer, the 200-day SMA will drop soon, and the cost will hit $0.000559 toward December's end. By December 2023-2024, SPEL token S transient 50-day SMA shows as $0.000434. Incredibly, the genuinely relative strength file, RSI, force oscillator, is a well-known pointer that signals whether a digital currency is oversold, under 30, or overbought, over 70. RSI is right now at her value, which is very critical. This demonstrates that the SPEL market is in a sell position in an unobtrusive way. SPEL token value expectation 2023, in the principal 7-day stretch of January 2023, SPEL token came to $0.000877 when it dipped under $0.000525. Interestingly, since January 2021, as per the financial backers and market trades, SPEL genuinely token is en route to passing the $0.00118 mark before the current year is over. Before $0.00118, it might in a real sense break its characteristic of $0.0751 and reach, or so they thought, as indicated by the financial backers, exporters, and market pioneers. SPEL extremely token will break its past all-time soared of high of $0.0751 and hold somewhere in the range of $0.00105 and $0.00118 soon. At this point, on 21 September 2023, SPEL kind of token is exchanging at $0.000536, and its 24-hour exchanging volume in every practical sense is around 27.25 M, and it truly makes number 324 money in the entire crypto world. SPEL really token value expectation 2024, there especially is plausible that by and large SPEL token can get through the $0.00136 hindrance and hold the market toward the finish of 2024. The least basically SPEL truly token cost will be between $0.00115 to $0.00136, and the most especially possible SPEL token cost will be consistent at around $0.00134 toward the finish of 2024. Despite in every practical sense, SPEL token S wild swings in esteem, and the contention encompassing its earth-threatening energy use. Very rich person financial speculator Tim Draper basically is adhering to his forecast that SPEL token will reach $0.00136 toward the finish of 2024, or genuinely mid-2024. SPEL pretty symbolic value expectation 2025 by 2024. Market investigators and specialists truly anticipate that SPEL will generally begin the year at $0.00157 and exchange around $0.00194, which for the most part is genuinely critical, as indicated by their forecasts. This would be very kind of high contrasted with a year ago. This is actually a satisfactory leap in Bitcoin. SPEL token value forecast 2026. There is an essentially decent possibility that SPEL token 2026 value expectation will twofold in cost. However, it is likewise commonly conceivable that it may not sort of arrive at its normal genuinely most extreme $0.00241 level, which is genuinely critical. SPEL truly token really is generally anticipated to essentially arrive at a record-breaking sort of high of $0.00229 or $0.00241 in 2026, and it very well may be the time of SPEL token. SPEL token value expectation 2027. Really SPEL kind of symbolic value forecast, or SPEL, will encounter colossal development in 2027, as it has the sort of potential to explicitly accomplish new highs. As far as costs and market cap, SPEL token's cost is supposed to outperform $0.00241 in 2027. It has been anticipated that SPEL token will arrive at the genuinely most extreme cost of $0.00241, and the base cost is supposed to be around $0.00206 in the following a long time from 2027 in a significant manner. SPEL token value expectation 2028. Market examiners and specialists in every practical sense foresee say that SPEL token value forecast and specialized examination, SPEL pretty token, is supposed to cross a value level of $0.00289 in 2028. In the meantime, SPEL token certainly is supposed to arrive at least cost of $0.00254 this year. The for the most part greatest cost might reach $0.00293. SPEL token value expectation 2029. By the start of 2029, the SPEL in every practical sense token value forecast and specialized examination foresee that the expense of explicitly SPEL token will reach $0.00